Maximum performance. Every platinum spark plug is necked down center electrode fires quicker and cleaner, with less voltage for easier starts and quicker acceleration. Improved durability. Our spark plugs are platinum-to-platinum firing for superior durability, and superconductive Yttrium enhanced ground electrode provides superior heat transfer. Construction. These spark plugs are platinum-enhanced high-nickel alloy side electrode, maintains precision gap and assures virtually no gap erosion for longer plug life. Fuel efficiency. The Autolite Platinum Automotive replacement spark plug works to optimize engine performance for a longer life and improved fuel economy. AUTOLITE ADVANTAGE. Autolite has been producing spark plugs since 1936, making it one of the most trusted and reliable brands for your OE replacement spark plugs needs. Autolite Platinum spark plugs feature a center wire platinum firing tip for reduced gap erosion, fewer misfires, better performance, and more durability. These spark plugs also feature a high nickel alloy side electrode to maintain a precise gap, and a full platinum tip to ensure virtually no gap erosion. The neck-down center electrode fires quicker, cleaner, and with less voltage for easier starts, quicker acceleration, and improved fuel economy. Top reviews from the United States. Work great in our old '98 Corolla. Made no sense to put iridium plugs at more than twice the price in a 24-year-old car with 255,000 miles. These work well and should last through the end of the life of the car. If I need new plugs, then I won't mind spending another $10. Seriously, these are just fine. Much better than the low end, good enough for a beater car.